All right, marine biology students, extra credit. So these are the rules to my extra credit in marine biology. First, you can only fix up to 3 quizzes or assignments, no more, and up to a maximum of 30 points, excluding the final. The final doesn't count in this equation, okay? No student can do more than 30 points of extra credit, or at least no student can earn more than 30 points of extra credit, and no student can earn over 100% in the class by the time it's done. And I'll post the extra credit assignments in week 0 when they're ready. So they may not be up there yet, but I'll put them in Canvas as soon as I have that list done. That will be in week 0 of Canvas. Now, I'm making this video to make sure that you are very clear on what the rules are, because what happens is people start talking to each other and they explain the rules differently from one student to another, and that results in confusion. So let me explain with an example. Let's say we have student number 1 who took quiz number 1, got a 27, PLC number 1 got a 9, quiz number 2 they didn't do, they got a 0, PLC number 2 they didn't do, they got a 0, quiz number 3 they got a 22. Well, just starting with that, if I take those grades, that student can do a total of 30 points of extra credit because they are missing quiz number 2. The quiz is worth 30 points, and so right there, that's the maximum number of extra credit points student number 1 could get. Let's look at another example. Student 2, quiz number 1 got a 19, PLC number 1 got a 9, quiz number 2 got a 19, PLC number 2 they got a 10, and quiz number 3 they got a 19. Okay, so what can that student do? Well, that student 2, can do 30 points of extra credit, because if the quizzes are worth 30 points, if I look at quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, they lost 11 points on each of those. 3 times 11 is 33. The maximum any student can earn is 30 points of extra credit, and so that's all they can do. Okay, student number 3, quiz number 1 they got a 28, PLC number 1 they got a 7, quiz 2 29, PLC 2 5, quiz 3 29. Okay, what are we going to do with that? Well, if we look at that student, if I look at their 3 lowest scores, on quiz 1 they got a 28, so they lost 2 points there. Okay, PLC 1 they lost 3 points, PLC number 2 they lost 5 points. So this student can only earn 10 points of extra credit, no matter what the other grades are, as long as they aren't lower than that, because you can only fix 3 of your grades. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I hope that explains the rules to you very well. And again, I'll post those in week 0 when they're done. Have a good day.